So first, fold in half again. Like that. And then fold this to the center. And then just fold to the center again. Just like that, and here too. So like that. Now you're going to fold this point down to here, and it is going to bubble a lot on these single layers, but don't flatten them because we're just going to unfold that. Now you're going to do the same thing except fold this point to that point right there. Okay. Now, fold it in half with a valley fold, like that. Now, you're gonna fold from this first crease to that point. And then do the same thing with the second crease. Now repeat all that on this side, so just so like that. And then so like that. And now you're going to unfold to here and reverse this bigger fold. So that's a mountain fold. And now you're going to fold it back in half, and then you're gonna keep it kind of like this on these first folds, and then you're just going to basically squash it on those folds that you just mountain folded. Okay, now unfold that, and then hold it like this, and then fold that over like that. And then inside reverse fold like that. Now you're basically gonna kind of like fold that up on both sides, and then squash it kinda, and then fold it up just so you can get the idea of it. Okay. Now open up this pocket and this pocket, and then you're gonna kind of like squash fold it, just like that. And this is also what actually makes up our handle or our keel. So yeah. Now spread these layers back out. And with this, you're basically gonna kind of open squash that. So yeah, pretty weird. And that's basically where it gets the hole from. Now, you're going to mount and fold this from here, like that, and then you're gonna like pinch it, and then fold these flat when you think they're parallel. So when they're pretty much more parallel, you're gonna just like that. That's our handle. And now you're going to fold this down and this down too. And they both go under that. So like that. They might come a little bit unfolded on mine. It's like, so yeah, mainly like that. And then fold from here and make the crease parallel to this. Like that, and then make sure it sits at a 90-degree angle. Just like that. And now, fold these little bends right here. So it's gonna fold down from where this and this edge intersect. And then this corner is gonna go exactly halfway between this edge and this edge. Just like that. Okay, now do that here. Like that. And now open up this pocket here, and then you kind of have to adjust the folds at the top, and then kind of just shape the plane a little bit. And yeah, that is the Q1 Gannet. It's a pretty cool shape, and it does actually fly well. Bye.
Thank you for coming to the paper playground. See you next time.